Hello students, I am Sneha and today we are going to study about basic substances from chapter Acids, Bases and Salts of class 7. On the basis of chemical nature of substances, they are classified into acidic, basic and neutral substances, and today we are going to study about basic substances. What are basic substances? Basic substances are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. ये सोपी होते हैं टच करने में और इनका टेस्ट बिटर होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स है इनके सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. और ये क्लासीफाई किए गए हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस और वीक बेसिस में. स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस आर कॉरोसिव इन नेचर while weak bases are non-corrosive. Example of strong bases are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. An example of weak bases that are non-corrosive in nature are calcium hydroxide and zinc hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. Now properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste and are soapy to touch, and they may or may not be soluble in water. Unlike acid, they may or may not be soluble in water, as acids are soluble in water. Now what are alkalis? Bases that dissolve in water are called alkalis. Example of alkalis are calcium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Uses of bases. Calcium hydroxide, which is also called slaked lime, and calcium oxide, which is called quicklime, are used to neutralize soil. Acidic soil is treated with slaked lime and quicklime, which are bases, and neutralize the acidic nature of the soil. ठीक है, ये एसिडिक नेचर सॉइल के एसिडिक नेचर को न्यूट्रलाइज कर देते हैं. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सोप बनाने में यूज होता है, और मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एज एंटी एसिड्स. And to get rid of indigestion, a medicine made of milk of magnesia, which is a base, is taken orally, and milk of magnesia being a base neutralize the hydrochloric acid and give fast relief from the pain which is caused by digestion. And sodium hydroxide is used to manufacture cleaning solution used in paper industries. Some example of bases and substances in which they are found. Sodium hydroxide in soap, ammonium hydroxide window cleaning solution. Third one is calcium hydroxide. It is found in lime water. Potassium hydroxide, it is found in soap. Then magnesium hydroxide, it is found in antacid or milk of magnesia. Now we are going to study about neutral substances. Neutral substances are substances that are neither acidic and nor basic in nature. Some example of neutral substances are distilled water, sugar, urea, glucose. Now pH scale. What is pH scale? Scale which is used to know the strength of acids and bases are called pH scale, and it ranges from 1 to 14. This is pH scale. It ranges from 1 to 14, and substances which have pH 7 are neutral, above 7 are basic in nature, and the substances which has pH below 7 are acidic substances. Thank you and have a nice day.